Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds HONOR Earbuds X6. And firstly you need to check is your Bluetooth turned on. So go to the settings and then Bluetooth or connected devices. And if you have Apple devices and some Android phones, you can enable Bluetooth right here if it's disabled. And on some Android phones you need to open control panel and enable the Bluetooth here. After that, tap at your earbuds at the device list and we have connection. But if it didn't help you, the next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds are disconnected from the phone, and we can check it also at the device list right here. If you have Apple devices, you will see that it's not connected. We have a text, and if you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, and it also means that your earbuds are disconnected. And after that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone and we have connection. But if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these earbuds. So click at the device list right here, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click Pair New Device. At the top you will see this button, you just click on it, and after that we need to enter pairing mode. So, at the back side of each earbud we have touch areas. Your earbud should be inside the charging case, and you just press and hold at the both of these touch areas until these lights start blinking white. And now we have it. And we can see these earbuds also at the device list. Now tap on it. And again we have connection. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that press and hold touch areas for at least 10 seconds until these LED lights start blinking red. So press and hold. Firstly it entered to pairing mode, you just keep holding. And right here we have red LED light. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds, so the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, then forget the device and forget device. Don't forget to click Pair New Device on your Android. And after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So we don't need to enter pairing mode manually, we just tap at these earbuds at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!